Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the current Director of Customer Partnerships for the HVAC division here at Parts Town. I'm a former HVAC tech and service manager. Today I'm going to show you how to change a belt out on a Trane rooftop unit. All right, let's get this panel off. All right, now I want to look and see if there are any cracks in this belt. Obviously you want to make sure the power's off before you put your hand in here. But I'm looking for any cracks, dry rot. So on a Trane rooftop, they have two bolts here that the motor mounts on, okay? Now, in order to get this belt off, you have to loosen these two so that you can slide this motor and give yourself some play. So that's what I'm going to do here. Doesn't need to be all the way loose. And obviously, if you had a ratchet wrench, it's going to go a lot smoother and easier. All right, now that we've loosened our mount, we're going to want to give ourselves a little bit of play and roll our belt off. And do that again. Same process, going backwards, put it back on, and roll that belt off. All right, now we're going to reinstall the belt. And we're going to have to make sure we pull our motor mount to the right position. Don't want to tighten that down too much, but I want it to stay in that spot as best I can while I get the new belt on. Start with the small pulley first, and then you're going to walk that belt on. See how the housing moved? You want to make sure that we're not bending any of these parts. And now, we want to make sure we have about a 1/2 inch play. Nice and snug. One thing that you should also look for is deflection. Make sure that these two pulleys are lined up. If there's a little bit of deflection, it's going to have this belt die sooner. All right, now we can put the panel back on.